Look at this 2006 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Carfax has certified this Silverado 1500 as having one owner. This Silverado 1500 has just under 7,000 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This vehicle gets 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 19 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 6.0-liter engine, and has an automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power locks, CD player, tow package, driver airbag and 12V power outlet. Call 800-735-4227 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.